In this video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the Shanghai gold premium to international gold price. There has been a lot of talk about spiking Shanghai gold premiums, so people watch that because that typically means that we have a bottom in gold. So I'm going to teach you how to calculate this premium yourself. What we need is the international gold price, of course. Let's do that for last Thursday. So last Thursday was the 28th of September, the red line. So the red line is somewhere here. This is 1875. So we input 1875 for 28th of September. What we also need is the yuan exchange rate. So for the 28th, we had around 7.305, right? 7.305. So we input 7.305 here. We also need, of course, the Shanghai gold price at that time, and you can find that in the daily reports of the Shanghai Gold Exchange, September 28th. And you are going to look for the gold T plus D, which is 453.11. 453.11. And you immediately get your premium, which is 3%. How do I get there? Well, first, this 453 is actually the price of gold in Chinese yuan per gram. So you need to convert it to US dollars first by performing this calculation. You take this number and you divide it by 7.3, and then you get the US dollar price per gram. Then you need to convert it into ounces. So you take this number in grams and you multiply it by 31.1 to get it into ounces. So this is actually the price of gold in China, 1929 at that time, and that's a 3% premium to the gold price at that time, internationally, 1875. So that's how you calculate this premium. So now you can do it yourself, and you don't need to look at Bloomberg terminals anymore.